Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, tomorrow is a hot day, but not nearly as oppressive as what we had today when we hit 100 degrees. And the humidity is not as high for tomorrow either. And the net result will be we don't have a heat advisory, but still a hot day coming up. Take a look at the dew points. They're still pretty high, especially along the coastline. So the air is very tropical, very muggy. But when you wake up tomorrow morning, you'll notice a refreshing difference. The humidity, these dew points, not nearly as high. So while we are forecasting 90, it comes without all the steam that we had this afternoon. Temperatures now are in the mid and upper 70s, still 79 in Providence, Smithfield 72, upper 70s, even low 80s, westerly warm and muggy right now at 81, and New Bedford checking in at 80 as well. Satellite and radar composite showing quiet weather. The cold front responsible for a few thunderstorms this afternoon is more or less stalled right along the coastline, and I'm noting a few developing showers and thunderstorms near Long Island, New York, right in here. So what will happen, I think, during the overnight, a few of these are going to try to sneak back towards the coastline around 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Newport, New Bedford, Narragansett may have some rumbles of thunder at that time, but when we wake up tomorrow morning, most of that should be gone. Now, that front represents the leading edge of dry air, that lower humidity that'll be coming in for tomorrow. The tropics have been very active over the last couple of months, and the Hurricane Center is watching this system. And here's the East Coast, Florida, and New England. It's called potential tropical storm number 9. So in other words, the Hurricane Center feels as though this will more than likely become the next tropical storm. Here's San Juan, Puerto Rico, the Bahamas, and South Florida. The long-range forecast over the next several days taking it as a tropical storm along this path. This bears watching. Some of our long-range computer guidance has this system in one form or another off the East Coast next week. So many, many days to be watching it. But, we're getting closer and closer to the heart of the hurricane season. As we get into August and especially September, things really start to ramp up. So we'll watch this closely for you, even though it's many, many days away from the U.S. mainland, if at all. In the meantime, overnight tonight, you can see late at night, pre-dawn, a few showers or thunderstorms, essentially confined along the coastline. This is around 4 o'clock in the morning, but before the sun comes up, most of that's moving offshore. So increasing sunshine, increasing heat, but not nearly as bad as what we had today. We're thinking upper 80s to around 90, a good deal of sunshine, nice beach day coming up. It's not as humid. Tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock in the lower 80s, and then later tomorrow night, some low clouds and fog moving back in as the humidity returns later tomorrow night, and temperatures it'll be in the middle 70s. Boaters, you got a forecast of some patchy fog early in the morning, otherwise unlimited visibility, and a west breeze turning south at 5 to 10 knots, water temp at 76. So for tomorrow morning, developing sunshine and warm. By 11 a.m. it's up into the 80s, and then we're close to 90, upper 80s to around 90, hot but dry, no humidity or much lower humidity, so not nearly as bad. Beaches are not bad, warm and dry, air temperature coming in at 85. 7-day forecast, couple of showers on Thursday afternoon, 88, looking good for Friday. Weekend overall looks okay. They think the showers on Sunday should wait until Sunday evening, Sunday night, so partly sunny over the weekend, mid and upper 80s. Hot tomorrow, Mike and Shannon, just not as humid.
All right, Tony, thank you. How cool is this?